I've got my Ice Cream Beauty Box, so if you want to see what's in the February box, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Call me Min or in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Ice Cream Beauty Box just went up. But I did sign on for a 6-month subscription in February at the $25 a month pricings. So you will see, prices are going to be going up. It's just a reality. Things cost more these days. And so, the folks have to pass that on to their subscribers. Or, even at the stores, you'll see, things are just going up. So that always has to be passed on to the consumer. As we know, that's just the way the world works. But they did stay at $25 for a very long time. So, I'm not mad about it. I think it was only a couple dollars too. It's not like Ipsy that goes up every time you turn your head. All right, so new box, so pretty. And here's the card. It says, "Love is sweet." And here is your sneak peek. We have a palette right on front, but I think right on top. Oh, look, and it says, "The best things in life are sweet." This month, I think they said we were getting 2 palettes, if I'm not. Yeah, so I guess it's that in the face palette. All right, so just as an update, when I had gotten my December one, and I filmed it, and I didn't put it up, and I think I just edited it and put it up but at an off time. But there was one shade, and it was like the prettiest shade in here, was crushed. And I said, if they can even just send the singular shade, yeah, it was this one right here. I said, if they can even just send the singular shade, I'm happy to take that, because it's, they pop out. There's no need for a full one. The other ones are perfectly fine. But they did go ahead and send me a full one. So very, very good. I like that. Great customer service. Sometimes if it's a pan that you can pull them out. I don't need the whole new thing. All right, so the eyeshadow palette is by Moira, and it is Like a Melody. And this is a $12 value. All right, so there we go. Very pretty. It is mostly mattes. It looks like it has 2 shimmers in there. I love the packaging now. By Mirabella, we have a mattifying protective pressed powder in LED lit compact. It says Glow. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's a $45 value. It also has antioxidants and hydrolyzed soy protein to lock in moisture while keeping your skin fresh and flawless. So there is the compact right there. And it lights up. Nice. And then underneath is a little powder puff. So this would be great for work, actually, because it's got a little mirror. I can kind of blot it, particularly if I'm sweating. Yeah, that'd be nice for work. $45. I mean, already more than the box. All right, now wait till you see this brush. It's so stinking cute. This is by Moon Slice, and we've gotten a few of their eyeshadow palettes. They have very nice eyeshadow palettes. Look at that. I mean, it can't even be used because it's so nice. It's very soft. But I mean, I don't want to get that dirty. That's just going to sit out. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to use it because it's too pretty to use. And that is a $15 value, so really good price. It's perfect for applying blush, bronzer, or setting powder, giving your makeup a smooth and flawless finish. Next, we have a lipstick from Medusa's Makeup. This is a $14 value, and it is in the shade Fired Up. Sounds like it's going to be a red. I do have last month's on with a little bit of gloss over top, which was more of a pinky nude. Oh, yeah. That is a red, but it's a dark red. Like, if I wear a red, it has to be a dark with more of a, I don't know, I would say that has like the blue undertones versus the bright with the orange undertones. I'm not going to swatch it because I want to see if I can see what it looks like on their website, because if I'm not going to use it, you know, I'd rather have it untarnished for someone else. Next, we have by Peony the Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub, and it buffs away dead skin, moisturizes and revives lips, and gives a radiant finish. It has shea butter, safflower, avocado, sweet almond, jojoba, and pumpkin oils. Ooh, nice. And there is how it looks. It looks like that So Susan brand almost, or what's the other one that looks a little bit like this? Oh, there's another brand, and that is a $10 value. It has botanical extracts of pink butterfly bush, hibiscus, and noni, and it's a natural exfoliator. And then last, we have by Ofra the Head in the Clouds palette. It's a mini mix face palette, so eyes, cheeks. Oh my goodness, look at this. So we have 3 highlighters on top, or shimmers, and then 3 mattes on the bottom. And again, you can use these for your cheeks, you can use them for your eyes. You could even, you know, put some on your finger and put a little bit of like lip balm and use it on your lips. Those top 3 colors are Cloud B, Daydream, and Fantasy. And then we have pink. Oh, maybe this is backwards. So then this would be Cloud 9, Daydream, and Fantasy. And this would be Pink Cloud, Orange Sky, and Purple Aurora. And this is a $42 value. And it does say that it will complement a wide variety of skin tones. So again, you know, when you see colors like this and you're like, oh, no, I'm not putting that on my cheek, right? But now I'm going to use my finger. When you're using a brush, it's going to look much different. But I don't want to get that brush dirty. So here they are on my fingers. All right, there they are on the back of my hand. And there they are buffed out. So you can barely see them. Probably the purple one the most. And that's just buffed out with my hands instead of with a brush. And then these are the highlighters. Look at how gorgeous they are. So you can see those would be great toppers. And then I just kind of rubbed them in a little bit. So perfect highlighters. And again, you can use these on your eyes too if you wanted to. Doesn't say you can't. All right, so that is my Eyescream Beauty Box. I didn't swatch the Moira because I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to keep this. It is lovely, but I have so much eyeshadow, and I love the box more than anything else. But it feels like I have these colors in others, So in other palettes. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I could change my mind. But I think for right now, I'm going to put it aside. All right. Well, that is my Ice Cream Beauty Box. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think of that palette? What do you think of that, of this Ofra palette too? I know, she's right, but you can, again, use it lightly. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.